Your body is wise, powerful, and intelligent. It comes fully equipped with an inner guidance system that, if you allow it to, can lead you and guide you to make choices that support you feeling great, obviously being healthy, but also getting through the day without reaching for those high sugar snacks or those highly caffeinated drinks. Usually when we want to improve our health, we end up adding a ton of stress into our lives because we're trying to tick all of these boxes and avoid this and make sure we're doing that. The quick tip that I have for you today is to come back to your body, develop a close communicative relationship with yourself. And you can do that by sitting in silence and stillness for just a few minutes every day and pay attention. When you do that repeatedly, your body will naturally lead you and guide you to choose foods and make decisions that lift you, that nourish you, that support you, and enable you to do the work that you want to do without sacrificing pleasure and joy.